Friends, running kimono here. We have 50-cent Olay, cheap Tampax, like dirt cheap. This is the video you don't want to miss. So yesterday was the first day of July, and as kind of suspected, Walgreens dropped a whole bunch of high value P&G coupons that we're going to put into this deal. Also, two loadable boosters, a 10 back when you spend 50 and a 4 back when you buy 2 dental care. Go and load those. They don't start until Sunday the 5th. First thing we're going to start off with, though, is a free print. I know a lot of you really love my gray cat, so I'm just going to show you some photos my husband snapped recently, and apparently when the cats do this, they show you their belly. They're very happy where they're living, so I think this little guy loves where he lives and always has to be on a gray blanket because he's a gray cat. So here's the deal. We have a new coupon code and it's for a new style print. You have to do this on the Walgreens website, cannot do it in the app. Please pay attention to that. You're going to go to your photo page, scroll to the bottom, and see where it says new retro photo, 99 cents each, where the arrow is. That's what you're going to tap on a desktop computer or a laptop. And then from there, you're going to create 2 of them. So it's 2 prints that look like Polaroids side by side. And then you're going to type in the code 2retro, order 2 of the prints so you can do 2 different collages if you wish, and it's free. When you go pick up your order, punch in your phone number in case a paper booster may print for you, and ask the cashier to wait for you because sometimes they scan that at the speed of light and you're like, could you wait? Just so you get your booster, because I know a lot of us don't get the digital booster, so you might get a paper booster. Also, yesterday, made a Dollar General clearance event video. My haul wasn't as massive as it normally is, but I had penny items. I had just a whole host of really cool products. And if you have the time to really root around the store and look around, you will find something. I found something at every store I visited yesterday. So if you can deal with the heat, by all means, go and make something happen, guys. So this is where you really have to pay attention. You see these Olays that are a little larger, kind of a goofier shape for $8. You're going to pick up 3 of them. And we have, I think, a 7 off 3 digital coupon that's attaching, and they are marked for 8. And see how it says get 10 when you spend 35 on P&G products. And Olay is one of those products. So yes. And then we're going to pick up 2 of the 350 Oral-B toothbrushes and 1 toothbrush for $4 with the promotion of $5 reward when you buy 3 of them. So really, you need a $4 one. You really have to pay attention to that. These are the coupons that you're going to load. The 7 off of 3 for the Olay body wash, and we finally have a high value 5 off of 3 for the Oral-B Crest Those Good products. So in store, you're doing this deal. 3 of the Olay body washes, that weird shape, for $8. That's $24 at $8 each. 2 of the 350 Oral-B brushes that are tagged in your store for $3.50 each. That's 7. And then 1 Oral-B for $4 also tagged. Adding all of that up, it's $35. So that's why we're grabbing that $4 one. Subtracting $12 in digitals, the 5 off 3 and the 7 off 3, you're going to pay $23. If you have a Kenvue register reward, throw it in. Getting back a $10 P&G register reward for spending $35, and then 2 $5 register rewards, 1 for oral care, 1 for Olay. So at the end of this, it makes it $3 for the 6 or 50 cents per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Go and make this one happen. It's a A++++ deal. And hang on to your receipt in case IBOTTA might have a rebate for us later with that Olay body wash. Okay, so for this next deal, you're going to grab 4 of the feminine care. Grab an assortment and make sure you're looking for the items that are tagged properly in your store. And also, the $4 digitals are attaching to said product. Buy 3 of these, get back a $10 register reward. And when you spend $35, you're getting back that $10 register reward from P&G this week. There it is. And if you look at the bottom, see how it says always, and then Tampax is part of it, but you need to spend $35, guys, which is really important. And then these digital coupons, they're only for you, so hopefully your account got them as well. But they're very high value. So this is altogether, I think, $16 of coupons. So 2 sets of 8. So grabbing an assortment, it's going to be $36.46 on a buy one get one 50% off. You have $16 in coupons melting off. Pay $20.46. Back 2 $10 register rewards, one for spending $35 on P&G products, and then one for buying 3 feminine care products. So it just makes it like 50 cents for the 4. Very, very cheap. If you have Walgreens cash that you want to use, or that Canvu register reward, by all means, go and make it happen, just to get a smaller out of pocket. I would try and do these deals soon. I think that when these prices are this low, especially if there's a lot of couponers in your area, it's going to go quickly. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Dollar General linked right here. Bye, guys.